Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation focuses on diagnosing the DTC B18B4, which indicates that the left side BSI radar unit is dirty on the Honda CRV models spanning from 2017 to 2022. The BSI, or Bologna sensor interface, is critical for several safety features and assists in maintaining a safe driving environment by detecting obstacles and aiding in collision avoidance. The left side BSI radar unit is typically located behind the rear bumper. Therefore, conditions such as snow, dirt, and other contaminants can obscure its functionality. Given that this is a potential issue in various driving conditions or locations, it's essential to understand how environmental factors may contribute to this DTC being triggered. The next slides will provide a thorough breakdown of the symptoms, possible causes, and troubleshooting procedures involved in addressing this error code effectively. The DTC B18B4 refers to the left side BSI radar unit being reported as dirty. The BSI radar units are installed at the rear bumper and are integral to assessing the surroundings of the vehicle for potential hazards. These units help in functionalities like collision detection and parking assistance, enhancing overall vehicle safety. Specifically, the left BSI radar unit is located on the left side of the rear bumper, where it has a clear line of sight to the environment behind the vehicle. By detecting obstacles, the BSI radar plays a crucial role in autonomous braking systems and other advanced driver assistance features. When this radar unit is compromised by debris, its ability to accurately relay information about surrounding objects is hindered, which can lead to erroneous DTC triggers. The potential causes for DTC B18B4 include various environmental factors that could temporarily contaminate the left side BSI radar unit. Common issues might arise from snow, ice, dirt, or other materials accumulating on or around the rear bumper. Weather changes, such as rain or snow, could cause debris to stick to the sensor, momentarily obstructing its capability. Traffic conditions, such as driving on muddy roads, can result in contaminants splashing onto the radar unit. Furthermore, stickers or other obstructions can also impede the radar's performance. Understanding these potential causes is essential for accurately diagnosing the problem and ensuring the sensor functions as designed. Symptoms of DTC B18B4 may include various alerts or malfunctions in the vehicle's safety systems. Drivers may notice warning lights illuminated on the dashboard, indicating a potential issue with the radar system. Inconsistent performance from features reliant on the BSI radar units, such as adaptive cruise control or collision mitigation braking, may also be observed. If the radar unit is severely contaminated, these features may partially or completely fail to operate, posing a risk to the driver's safety. The vehicle may also exhibit false positives or negatives in obstacle detection, leading to errant system behavior. Recognizing these symptoms promptly can lead to quicker resolution and maintenance of the vehicle's operational safety. In the first step of troubleshooting DTC B18B4, begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode. This action enables the vehicle's electronic systems, allowing for the necessary diagnostics. Next, you will need to clear the DTC using the HDS, or Honda Diagnostic System. The HDS communicates with the vehicle's onboard computer to reset error codes, helping determine if the issue is a temporary glitch or indicative of a more profound problem. After clearing the DTC, turn the vehicle off to allow the systems to reset completely. Once again, turn the vehicle to the on mode and wait a minimum of 5 seconds before checking for any stored DTCs. If any DTCs appear at this stage, you may have duplicated the failure and should proceed to the next step. In the second step of troubleshooting DTC B18B4, conduct a thorough external inspection of the rear bumper. Look for any remnants of snow, ice, dirt, or other contaminants that could obstruct the BSI radar unit's performance. This step is crucial, as the presence of such materials can easily trigger a dirty radar unit error. If the bumper appears to be free from contaminants, you can confidently move to the next step in the diagnostic procedure. However, if you do identify any dirt or obstructions, carefully clean the area to ensure the radar units are not being hindered in their operation. Ensuring the cleanliness of the bumper is vital for effective troubleshooting. For the third step of troubleshooting DTC B18B4, you will need to remove the appropriate side of the rear bumper. Accessing the inside of the rear bumper allows you to inspect for internal contaminants such as snow, ice, or dirt accumulating around the BSI radar unit. It's crucial to ensure there's no obstruction on the radar unit's surface, as any dirt present can lead to erroneous readings and trigger the DTC. If the internal condition is acceptable, it may imply that the radar unit itself is defective, prompting you to replace the unit. On the other hand, if you notice contaminants, thoroughly clean the inside of the rear bumper as well as the area around the radar unit to guarantee optimal performance. This step could potentially resolve the DTC if contamination is the underlying cause. After performing the necessary repairs based on the troubleshooting steps, it's essential to verify that the issues have been resolved. Begin by reinstalling any components, including the rear bumper, and ensure everything is secured correctly. Next, conduct a full system check using the HDS again to confirm the absence of DTCs. Clear any error codes if they exist, allowing the system to perform another evaluation. Drive the vehicle under conditions consistent with those that initially caused the DTC to check for any reoccurrence. Successful verification would mean no new codes appear and that vehicle safety features are operating normally. To prevent future occurrences of DTC B18B4, regular maintenance and inspections are vital. One preventive measure includes routinely checking the exterior of the vehicle, particularly the rear bumper, to eliminate any built-up debris. Keeping the rear area clean can significantly reduce the likelihood of the BSI radar unit encountering contaminants, thus maintaining its effectiveness. Additionally, being mindful of the driving conditions, such as avoiding muddy or snowy roads when possible, can help protect the radar units. Creating regular cleaning intervals, especially after adverse weather, can also aid in preventing dust and grime accumulation. These proactive measures ensure the longevity and efficiency of your vehicle's radar system. In conclusion, understanding DTC B18B4 involves recognizing the error as a dirty left side BSI radar unit, which is pivotal for various safety functions in the Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. Key symptoms associated with this DTC, such as dashboard alerts and inconsistent feature performance, highlight the importance of proper diagnosis. The troubleshooting steps involve checking for external and internal contaminants and cleaning or replacing the radar unit as necessary. Consistent preventive measures, including regular inspections and cleanliness, are essential for maintaining the BSI radar unit's functionality. By following the outlined steps and being proactive, vehicle owners can ensure that their safety features operate safely and effectively. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.